We're officially a few days away from the party season. While 2020 hasn't been a great year across the globe for anyone, but we're still looking forward to this party season in the hope that 2021 is going to bring a lot of joy and cheer to us. And so, there are people who are planning parties and eat outs and outings and holidays. Now, while we officially get into the partying season, and there comes the talks about detoxifying your body pre-holidays or post-holidays. While I am not somebody who advocates detoxifying, but I always tell people to stay tuned into your body, to understand the signs and the symptoms that it's giving you. And since we're heading towards the holiday and the party season, I thought it was important that we talk about these symptoms and how do we stay attuned to our body and understand what it's trying to tell you. So now when we eat out, when we binge eat, when we eat a lot of heavy foods, fried foods or drink, there are people who experience various symptoms and not really able to make out as to what are these symptoms meaning and what should they be doing. So let's get on to these symptoms and talk about these symptoms and how can you really deal with it. So for example, there are a lot of people who feel acidic post indulging or binge eating or eating heavy stuff. Now for these people, it's very, very important that there is a 3-hour gap between their last meal and their bedtime to make sure that they're not acidic after eating or the next morning when they wake up. Also, as a bedtime ritual, they should soak 1 teaspoon of sabza seeds and a fig and just have this at the bedtime. So soak it around early evening and take this as a bedtime ritual to make sure that you feel you feel absolutely normal when you wake up, or even through the day there's no acidity. And then there's a certain set of people who go through constipation and bloating right after a party or eating a heavy meal. Now for these people, you should be taking 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with warm water at bedtime, or 1 tablespoon of Isabgol, which is psyllium husk, with 500 ml hot water to make sure that you're able to clear your stomach and there is no bloating whatsoever. Now there's another set of people who feel lethargic, fatigued and totally sapped out of their energy post a holiday or post a long party. Now for these people, again, like I said, for everyone there should be a gap between your last meal and the bedtime. And before they hit the sack, you should definitely have a glass of turmeric milk, or rather a cup of turmeric milk with a dash of black pepper. Now this will make sure that your energy levels are good, you're not feeling fatigued. Also helps you to give you glow on your skin because it takes care of your tiredness. And then there are people who, in spite of eating these heavy meals, are craving for sugar throughout the day, are craving for junk food, are craving for fried food. Now, these are the people who are clearly dehydrated and there isn't any fiber in their diet. So if you're someone who's having these constant sugar cravings or cravings for those junk foods like a pack of chips or a chocolate bar, you need to make sure that you're drinking water every hour and adding fiber to your diet. Now how do you add fiber to your diet? By having 2 fruits a day or about 4 to 5 vegetable serving, especially the green leafy vegetables. Now this is a season of green leafy vegetables, so make sure that you're adding green leafy vegetables in your daily diet. Cook them the conventional way with ghee or mustard oil, make a saag or a bhujia or whatever, and just include these things. Also make sure that you're having magnesium rich foods like bananas and sweet potatoes. You would see your cravings just going out of the window and giving you lots of energy without having reaching out of that bar of chocolate. Yeah, so these are a few things that one needs to do when you're getting into your holiday season, into your party season. Enjoy your party season. Make sure that you're taking care of your body and nourishing your body. If you do these things, you will not have to do the detoxification, because then you are in tune with your body and taking care of your body as you party. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye bye.